What is up, guys? God bless you all and welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna rebuild my ES16D. So yeah, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope all of you are doing outstanding. I apologize for the noise, but it's like 15 degrees today and we're gonna start actually rebuilding my short block. So my dad is here. He's the myth, the legend, and the only one who's gonna basically help me to build this short block. I showed you on the last video what we're doing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to actually get hands-on. I'm not gonna provide information. I'm just sharing my experience with you. So afterwards, you know, if I have any info that I can share with you, I'll be gladly do it. But this is not a tutorial, and I'm not responsible for any damage that you do to your engine. All right. So yeah, let's go. Right, nothing crazy. We have the short block, and right now we're going through the cleaning thing, making sure everything is good to go. Over here we have the rods. Everything is all done. This one actually I got them from the machine shop, as you guys saw, and they are good to go. Besides that, I have the head over here. We're gonna go through that later. But right now we're just cleaning everything, make sure everything looks good to go. So yeah, let's go. Alright, so we are actually halfway through the cleaning, breaking everything because it's 20 degrees outside and it's no water today. We went ahead and also unhung the cylinder walls for now, and we're gonna go ahead and actually do a little bit of a flat black just to make it look better. But yeah, I'm excited. Everything is there. You guys saw on the previous video the rebuild kit. And yeah, nothing fancy. OEM rebuild kit with high compression pistons over here and stock rods and ARP hestas, and that's what it is. You know, that's what it is. And yeah, I'm looking forward to have this one ready. So yeah, let's go. So I step out a few minutes and here I have down everything. Alright, so we just finished up torquing the crank shaft down. Everything looks good over here. Everything spins smoothly, no issues at all. And now, I mean, as you guys saw, we actually own everything. We're getting ready just to start putting the pistons. So yeah, let's go. All right, so we're making more progress. We have the rods clean, or connecting rods. Right now we're getting ready to actually assemble the pistons with the rods. We already went ahead and checked out the rings. We're gonna leave them as it is for the specs. But so far we're looking good. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you this thing assemble in 3, 2, 1. All right, so we're getting ready to actually mount the bearings. In this case, we actually went with a good brand, so we're using King's bearings on the crankshaft and also on the rods. So I got my dad mounting those right now. We have all the 3 pistons ready, good to go. Show you real quick. So we're using again the OEM rods, nothing crazy, and obviously the high high compression pistons, everything is good to go. We got the rings already installed, and yeah, I'm going to show you this very shortly. So we just got the short block all set. You guys can see the pistons already, block is already painted, it's looking good. What I'm gonna do, we're gonna actually finish for today because it's cold, but I'm gonna have another video, but for now that's gonna be for this video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. We have the short block ready, high compression, ARP headstocks, king bearings. It should be an amazing combination to do some good power. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and I will see you in the next one. Stay safe and God bless you all.